Trac-IT is a software solution that effectively polices and templates what happens on the shop floor. So again, if you have a technical specification and you wish it to be met each and every time, the software and hardware solution will always deliver exactly what is required. Effectively, the best thing that it does is obviously eradicate the overpack, so all the packs are created very consistently and it delivers packs that do not have any more product in than the customer has paid for.
For the fresh produce industry, this is a typical line we would supply for a table grape producer. As you can see, we have a 4-tier conveyor. The top tier is for delivering empty crates back to the beginning of the line. The second tier is for delivering raw material directly to the operators. The idea is we want our operators to focus on the presentation and the quality of the punnets and not just solely think about the weight. So as they've looked at the presentation, they are happy, they have exceptions, they continue. Now as we follow the punnets down the line, we then get to our CW150 check weigher. Now this polices the line and prevents any under or overweights going through as a mistake. So as you'll see, as the punnets enter through, any packs which are within your pack tolerance will continue down, and anything onwards will then be rejected onto the soft touch conveyor. This then allows the operators to then rework the punnets to make sure everything is accounted for. We're now onto our soft touch conveyor. The idea being the punnets can touch, however it will cause no friction, meaning the punnets and the grapes do not get damaged. As they feed through, the operators will then stick them into the boxes, feed the boxes down the line to then be palletized in a very efficient manner. From the moment our operators log into the scale, data is then collected and fed back wirelessly to our data master. This then gives us a real-time snapshot as to what is happening on the shop floor, ranging by yield from operators, individual operator performances, and pack speed as a whole. Now we can then feed this data back to our secondary module, a product data display, which then can show everybody on the shop floor what they are doing at any one time. This can then boost competition, increase a little bit of motivation, and as well as giving everyone the information firsthand. If an operator takes a pack off the scale, which is under or overweight, it will then lock. They can then use the help light to indicate to a supervisor their scale has locked, in which they can then unlock it from either the data master or the scale. To help packers with their quality control procedures, we released our quality control module, which allows our customers to store data electronically on our QC tablet, a ruggedized tablet PC.
MARCO Trac-IT systems are designed, manufactured and built in the UK. Our head office is in Kent, Edenbridge. The next step in the process is going to be to dismantle the equipment and getting ready for packing and shipping. We are happy to ship the equipment to our customers in the most cost and time efficient way. We can do sea, air freight or even road freight. It just depends on their preference. We have a team of specialist engineers who are trained in-house and can travel around the world. Beyond that point, our support team will look after our customers and our equipment, and it can always be relocated and recommissioned in a different location.